Today we've got every single Monster Jam monster truck in the Steel Titan video game competing in this epic backflip championship. Up first we've got Alien Invasion. Whoa, Alien Invasion almost crashes out but somehow lands it. Up next we've got Max D Fire. And Max D Fire crashes out. Up next we've got Blue Thunder. Yes, Blue Thunder lands a perfect double backflip. Up next we've got Dragonoid. And Dragonoid lands it. Up next we've got Toro Loco Ice. Whoa, Toro Loco Ice got some huge air with that backflip. Here comes Pirate's Curse. Oh, and Pirate's Curse crashes out. Up next, we've got Mutt Dalmatian. That was an amazing double backflip by Mutt Dalmatian. Here comes Earthshaker. Whoa, parts flying everywhere, and Earthshaker cannot land the backflip. Up next, we've got Doomsday. And Doomsday cannot complete the backflip. Up next we got Mohawk Warrior Fire. Whoa, they must have been having some kind of mechanical issues because that was a weak backflip by Mohawk Warrior Fire. Up next we got Dragon. Yes, a huge double backflip by Dragon. That's what I'm talking about. Up next, we've got Captain's Curse. Whoa, they had some big-time air. They just could not land that backflip. Here comes Gravedigger Ice. Wow, Gravedigger Ice made that double backflip look easy. Up next we've got Northern Nightmare. And Northern Nightmare lands it. Up next we've got Toro Loco. And Toro Loco eats some dirt and crashes out. Up next we've got Max D Black. Wow, that was amazing that Max D Black was able to land that double backflip. It looked like they were going to crash out. Up next, we've got Wildfire. And Wildfire coming through big time with a huge double backflip. Up next, we've got Monster Mutt Rottweiler. And Monster Mutt Rottweiler's going to have to go back to the dog pound because they did not land that backflip. Up next, we've got Dragon Ice. Oh, Dragon Ice tried to get the truck flipped back over. They just could not do it. Up next, we've got Gravedigger Legend. A perfect double backflip by Gravedigger Legend. Here comes Soldier Fortune Black Ops. Whoa, that was some kind of sideways backflip. We're going to have to check with the judges to see if they'll count that landing. Up next, we got Megalodon. That was a nice save by Megalodon to land that backflip. Up next, we got Mutt Dalmatian Ice. Oh, big time crash by Mutt Dalmatian Ice. Here comes Mohawk Warrior. And Mohawk Warrior lands it. Up next we've got Gravedigger Fire. They've got some nice air. Oh, and Gravedigger Fire crashes out. Wow. Up next, we've got Max D. And Max D nosedives into the dirt. Up next, we've got Yeti Ice. Yes, Yeti Ice coming through with a nice double backflip. Up next, we've got Monster Mutt. And Monster Mutt crashes out. Here comes Zombie. And Zombie cannot stick the landing. Up next, we've got Whiplash. Wow, Whiplash coming through with a perfect double backflip. Up next, we've got Megalodon Fire. Nice double backflip by Megalodon Fire. Here comes Soldier Fortune. Soldier Fortune making it look easy with that double backflip. Up next, we got Son of a Digger. Yes, a nice double backflip by Son of a Digger. Up next, we've got Soldier Fortune Ice. Whoa, it looked like they were going to crash out, but they managed to save it. Up next, we've got Zombie Fire. Wow, a huge double backflip by Zombie Fire. That was amazing. Up next, our last truck is Gravedigger. Wow, a huge double backflip with a stoppie by Gravedigger. And the judges' scores are in, and it is Gravedigger. Gravedigger is the champion.